5y plus 5. The common factor for these two terms, as you can see, is 5. The question is, what am I supposed to write inside of the parentheses? Okay, you have to divide every single term of your polynomial by the common factor. 5y divided by 5 is y. Positive 5 divided by 5 gives me positive 1. If I want to verify my answer, I simply distribute 5 into my parentheses. 5 times y gave me 5y. 5 times 1 gave me 5. So this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. We have ay plus az. The common factor for these two terms is a. What I'm going to have inside of the parentheses? Simply divide every single term of this polynomial by a. Ay divided by a is y. Az divided by a is z. Now let's verify the solution. Simply distribute this a into the parentheses. We have to use distributive law. A times y gives me ay. A times z gives me az. So this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. The common factor, you can see, is 7. So write 7. And inside of the parentheses, I'm going to have, let's find, 7x divided by 7 gives me x. And negative 7y divided by 7 gives me negative y. Let's check the answer. You can check the answer, remember, always by applying the distributive law. Distribute this 7 into the parentheses. 7 times x gave me 7x. 7 times negative y gives me negative 7y. So this is the solution to my problem.